There are some important repairs to make before selling a house, so don't be in too much of a hurry to get your home listed. So take the time to sell your home right. I'm Rich Barnes, owner-broker of Realty Experts in West Allis, Wisconsin, 53214. And these are important repairs to make before selling a house. They make your home sell faster and for more money, and some of them aren't even very much work. Number one, spruce up the yard. This is one of the easiest, cheapest tricks in the book. Good landscaping can add up to 28% to the overall home value. So why pass up free money? Homeowners should make sure their home is nicely landscaped so that buyers want to come in. Give your front yard the once over, or just clean up the details yourself. Edge the lawn, plant some flowers. Give the home a buy me now appeal. Number two, still rocking that old school carpeting? Get rid of it like yesterday. One of the biggest turnoffs for buyers is dirty old carpet. Get the best possible price. It's worthwhile to invest in vinyl or wood plank floors. Number three, fixing windows and doors is one of the cheapest, most important repairs you can make before selling a house. If you're selling an older home complete with creaking windows and doors that don't open or close easily after years of use, ignoring these basic repairs might actually cast doubts on your entire home. Number four, paint the walls, wash the walls. If any of your rooms are doused in a dark color, cover it up with a neutral coat of light paint. Buyers find it easier to picture themselves living in a home with neutral walls. Plus, they'll make your home seem larger, cleaner, and far more appealing. Number five, clean the cabinets. If you've ever sold a home before, you know it might be surprised by how bold buyers are. They peek inside your cabinets. How dare they? But buyers are expected to be little investigators, so be prepared before they start peeking. Number six, update the lighting before putting your home on the market. Look at the lighting, and it can go out of fashion and make a beautiful home look dated. Finding relatively inexpensive light fixtures can make a big impact and well worth the investment. So if you need a second pair of eyes, I'm happy to come out and take a look. My information is listed below. Feel free to reach out, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks, and you have a great day.